Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I have two things for you today. I have one is an announcement and the other one is a surprise visit to one of my close YT sisters. So let's head on over there so that we can get started.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And I am here with my girl Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor.
Hi
Anna.
everyone, welcome to the Grace Life.
And we are here with some good news for you today. We are starting a brand new monthly open collab. Anna, you want to tell them about it?
Yes, so every month we are going to be hosting our collab on every second Saturday of the month, and we are going to include a Decorate With Me, a DIY, tablescapes, tier trays, mantles, vignettes, you name it. If it's over the top and it's glam, we're doing it.
That's right. Whatever works best for your niche. So just bring it in a classy, sophisticated style. I'm talking upscale, over the top fierceness, honey, because you know how your girl Amethyst loves to bring it. Yes. So we are bringing it to you. And our name, we are calling ourselves the Ladies of Elegance. Yes. And the Ladies of Elegance present to you every second Saturday of the month, Sophisticated Saturdays.
Yes, and we would love for you to come out and support us, and we just can't wait to have you. So be glam, and
be elegant, and be there. Okay, be there. Yes. That's the most important thing, because we really need your support.
Yes, yes.
Yes, cheers to that, honey.
To new beginnings.
New beginnings. We are so excited about bringing you this new monthly collab. So join us.
I'll see you in the next video, guys.
And until next time.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we had an awesome time with Courtney and the announcement with this Sophisticated Saturdays. We are very excited about it, and I cannot wait to see you there. We really could use your support. So again, if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.